What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be showing you how I achieved this eyebrow look. If you're looking on how to perfect your eyebrow, stay tuned, you're at the right video. Alrighty guys, so the first thing I like to do is grab a spoolie brush, comb my front hairs upward, and then once you start to getting to right here, I like to comb that way to the side and down. So up, to the side, and down. And then once you've seen that your eyebrows are in order now, I will be going in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in shade medium brown. And then I also have this angled brush from Wet n Wild. The first thing I like to do is outline my eyebrow. I start off at the bottom. Once you have outlined the bottom of your eyebrow, I like to go to the top and outline the top also. Don't get me wrong, this will take you a little bit of time, but after a while you'll get used to it. And it's okay if it's looking a little sloppy because you will go back in and clean it. Since you have your outline, I like to start from the back and just comb sideways, like hair-like. And then always remember, when you get to the front, don't make it too dark because you still want it to look natural. It's like feather lights in the front, you can barely just swipe it. So another thing I do is comb down my eyebrows to see if there's any patchiness. And as you can see, there is, so I will be going back in with my pomade and filling that in. And then I'm gonna comb them back up and then check the front a bit too. So now I will be going in with what I use as concealer because your girl still hasn't bought a concealer. I use my 24-hour full coverage foundation, and then I go in with the flat brush. And then I like to get the slightest bit on the brush and then just start right down there. And then another thing I do is drag the foundation concealer down. And as you can see, I did mess up. Nobody's perfect, everybody messes up. So, since I messed up, I'll go back in with my pomade and then just fix it up a bit. Now I will be going into the top of my eyebrow and cleaning the top. So again, I grab the slightest bit and then just start small. In the front, I swipe it up just so it looks a little bit more natural-ish. In my opinion, that's how I feel like I make it look a little bit more natural. Alright, and there you have it. They are a little bit tricky at first, but you'll get used to it. But if you did like this video, make sure you like and make sure you're subscribed. And that is it for today. I love you guys. I'll see you next video. Peace.